Welcome. We're having another workshop. My name is Dr. Lisa Lewis, and we're having a workshop here at the Lewis Healing Institute on October 26th at 1 p.m. And it's all about weight loss for wellness. And this is a free workshop where we're going to talk about how to help you reach your ideal weight. No scale, no stress, and no starving. Okay? So here's the key. What we know is that weight has been a huge issue and is a huge issue for so many people. Even I have struggled over the years, especially the years going into approaching menopause and postmenopause, right? So I never had a weight challenge all my life. Like, I was lucky. And then when menopause hit, I don't know, it seemed like somebody just overnight switched all the clothes out of my closet. and I went in to try on my clothes and nothing fit anymore, right? So here's the thing. I know that weight and weight gain and even the inability to reach your ideal weight or to lose weight can be an indication that some other systems in the body are out of balance. And so I've learned to use the principles of natural medicine and holistic medicine to support weight loss and long-term weight loss, like keeping the weight off. And I'm going to share all those tips and tools in this workshop. The workshop is going to be held on October 26th at 1 p.m. here again at the Lewis Healing Institute. And all you have to do is register. It is a free workshop, so all you have to do is register. There should be a button below on this page or next to the video, and you'll be able to reserve your seat. Now, what you're going to learn in this workshop are really the 3 principles you should follow if you want to reach kind of maximum weight loss with your workout. There's specific ways that you should work out to lose weight. And many people choose the wrong exercises as well as the wrong strategies for working out. And then sometimes they bulk up or they just don't lose weight. So we're going to learn the 3 principles you should follow to make sure that you can reach maximum weight loss. Second, we're going to, help you to realize and focus on a customized eating strategy. It's great that there's all these diets out here. You got keto diet, you have low carb, you have detoxes and the grapefruit diet and all of these diets. So which one is the diet that works best for you? And how can you choose a diet that works for you, but then customize it to make sure that it works for hormone balance and for where you are in your hormonal and reproductive life, and make sure that you don't plateau, because that's one of the challenges that most people, they begin to plateau when they follow a particular diet. So we're going to learn all about these customized eating strategies. And next, you're going to really learn the number one thing that can help you melt away your fat and really to melt it away for a long term, to teach you how to ramp up your metabolism so you literally feel like you're melting fat off. And I know that, again, the struggles with weight loss are real. They're real. And no matter where you are in your reproductive history, whether you're, early on in the high part of your fertile life, or you're in menopause, like me, or you're in perimenopause where your hormones are fluctuating back and forth, weight can be a significant challenge if your hormones aren't in balance. So join me again on October 26th on Saturday at 1 p.m. right here at the Lewis Healing Institute. And we're going to learn all about it. We're going to learn all about it. So here's the thing. You have to register because we have limited space. So if you reserve your seat by clicking the link, then we'll see you there. All right. So I look forward to helping you learn how to create wellness from weight loss. And I'll see you soon.